Okay. Do it. You know what I'm saying? Do it.
We're gonna solve a Rubik's Cube.
Flip flops. What are you saying? You're not saying nothing.
I solved myself because I mixed it up because I gotta teach everyone all the pieces and all the easier stuff before I can get into actually solving myself because I mixed it up because I gotta teach everyone all the pieces and all the easier stuff before I can get into actually solving.
See, what are you saying? You saying you're gonna show us, or you gonna tell us?
I'm gonna tell you after I solve it so that I can show you the pieces.
You know what you're saying? Step the gun. Rubik's. Flippy flops. Flip flops. Let's do it. Cross your face. Alright. You gonna give us the how-to?
Yep. Now it's time to work on the sides and pieces. There are 6 sides unless you're doing a pentagon or pyramid, which only have 4 or 16 sides, I think.
Wait, is that what we're doing?
No, we're doing a 2x2.
Oh, good. Tell me about the 2x2.
2x2s have only corner pieces. They do not have edge pieces or middle pieces like anything above 2x2s.
2x2.
They have 6 sides.
I got 6 sides.
Most of them are very turnable and easy to turn, and we are going to get into how to solve it.
Okay. Let's do it. Here we go. Ready? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, let's get starting on how to do the 2x2. Mix it up.
Pentagon. Got it. Flip flop, flip flop, flip flop.
Just mix it up by turning the sides. Don't listen to the guy in the background.
Flip flop, flip flop, flip flop, flip flop, flip flop. You got lots of flip flops.
Yeah, I know.
Flip flop, flip flop. Did I get a flip flop machine? I got a flip flop machine. I got my flip flop right there. Flip flop, flip flop.
Okay, now after you mixed it up and you want to get started, let's go.
Where are we going?
Okay, so now we're getting on to step 1, solving the white side, or whichever side you want to start with. So first, I always start with looking for this side, which is always blue and orange or whichever color you have.
I don't like that side. Keep going.
Okay, so then you look for the next color, so that has an orange or blue. I would look for this one. It's an orange.
That one. Over there. Whoop.
And
Camera's over here.
I just moved it up, and it fit right in there. And
you're a wizard.
Now I have to get. Now I'm going to get this piece in, or should I get this piece? This piece. Okay.
All the pieces. Flip flop.
Never mind this. Okay, back to step 1. We're going to get this piece up to here. So we'll move up just like the other one.
You have to move it.
Now, we have to get this piece here, but we don't want to disturb any of these pieces. So, you could either do this.
What was that? You're a wizard! You're moving it! What?
This.
1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato flip flop.
Or.
Oh, undid the flip flops.
You could do this. Whichever one you want.
Isn't that the mashed potato?
No, they both do the same thing. Okay, now we're on to the next step.
Oh, we gotta stop the video. Hold on.
Okay, ready? Step 2. Getting the yellow side finished. Don't worry about the line. First, we're going to do this.
We're doing it. Flip flops.
Either you have a line or a diagonal line. Okay. Instead, I have 1 dot, which is what you want. If you don't, I'll show you some scenarios in the next part of it. Let's get on to how to solve it. First, you put the yellow side, or whichever color is the opposite, in the bottom left corner.
I know what you're saying.
Do this.
Flip flop. Flip flop. Flip flop. Flip flop. Flip.
And I got the yellow side.
Yellow side complete.
And now the last scenario, you get a line. You put the whole entire thing in the right side, and you just do the same thing.
One potato, two potatoes, three potatoes, flip flop, flip flop, anonymous.
You get nothing on the top, then you do it again.
Oh no, you got nothing.
I got the line again.
You got the line again.
Put it in the same spot, do it again.
Do it again. There's
So I'm
nothing.
going so fast, I've done this again.
You're a wizard.
Put this, do the same thing that you did before, put it in the bottom left corner and do it again.
Bottom left is.
Put it in the bottom left corner, do it again.
Do it again. Do it for it. Oh my gosh, you're amazing.
Got it, and on
Well,
step 3.
Well, we already got the other one. Diagonals. Diagonals? Dig diagonals?
Now, we have a diagonal line.
Ooh, a
if you have
diagonal. I have a diagonal.
it. Okay, so, just put in the bottom right corner, one of the sides in the bottom right corner, and do it. And do the algorithm that I showed you.
Flip flop.
Got the dot, put in the bottom left
Do
corner.
it again.
Again.
Doing it and doing it. Doing it well. Flipping and flopping and whoa! You did it! You're amazing! You should go to Disney World. Alright, we're almost done. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, step 3 nachos.
Okay, now, we're going to learn how to cube it.
We did
You
it!
did.
Oh,
Great job.
we did it.
But, if you didn't, I'll show you how in 2 different ways.
2 ways. That means there's going to be 2 more videos. Hurry!
Okay, so, we do this algorithm.
1 potato, 2 potatoes, mashed potatoes. You spinning it and you flip it flop, flip flop. This is not flip flop.
Finish.
You're a wizard. It's amazing.
Scenario, I will show after this.
Short break from me going to the restroom. Alright, so I went to the restroom, but I only went number 1. So this is gonna be number 2. Here we go.
Okay, ready? And we're going to show you how to do it the other way. So, all you do is just put any color in the back. Oh, I forgot. Put that color that you had solved, put in the back, and then do the algorithm. But you can just put any color in the back and do the same algorithm.
Flip it flop. Put the yellow in the back.
No, put any color in the back.
Color in the back.
Like, I just put this orange in the back and it came out with,
Green. Oh,
Green has 2
that's
colors.
amazing.
and then just do it again.
Do it again.
Congratulations, you
Yeah.
solved your first 2 ways.
Okay. We did a Rubik's Cube, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how he does it. He's a wizard. He does his flip flops, and he puts the colors in the back, and there's mashed potatoes, and it's amazing.
And there's nachos.
He's a wizard, and I like nachos.
There are only 3 steps
So-
for very many scenarios.
So yeah, so if you got a pentagon and you need to solve it, then you should go look it up on the YouTube.
I don't know how to do it.
Oh, now I'm eating. Okay, I'm back.